guys, welcome to my next video. Today we are going to play a game called Adopt Me in Roblox. I'm going to show you, and remember I also do giveaways every single day. What do you want? A saber tooth or Inushi or something? Let's try. Guys, let's exit home. Let me just open my backpack. Pets. I have a saber tooth, a Shiba Inu. What do you want? Do you want a Shiba Inu? Comment down. Let's see who wins. Let's get out my person. One sec, guys. So let's go and dress up. Let's dress up as a baby because you get more money if you're a baby. So then, one sec, guys. That was my consent or something. Yeah, guys, I give free pets. Hashtag it below in your username or anything. Roblox Buck Dave 132 Buck Dave 132 / I want and your favorite pet's name, like Sabertooth or anything. Sabertooth and a saber. Yeah, madam, you have many chances of getting a free pets. Or does mean them donate pets. Let's save it, and without wasting any more time, let's go. Let me just change my camera view. Let's get on my best boy Sabertooth, which is a teen. So let's grab a vehicle. Okay, who's hungry? Me? What do you mean, I'm hungry? No, literally I'm mad. Being a baby gives you more money, guys, because your Sabertooth or your pet also asks for stuff which you have to give him. Now 1,021 bucks. So right now I'm a little poor. Yeah, I'm poor. Let's do some trading today. Let's try if they give trades. Apple my pets. Nice, cool pets. Okay, about lemonade. I really need it for myself. So then one thing, guys. I just teleport to my friend near me. Hey guys. Oh! She's so lucky! She has Neon Dog! Whoa! Gosh, she's so lucky! She's a Neon Dog! Once again, let's try traders. Dang. Let's ask her. Do you want trade? Okay, let's accept it. Okay, let's go. Oh, who's this Carlos? Adult main map. Okay, let's get into that. Whoa. That's not good. shit. There you go, my pet's hungry. Who's hungry? Me. Eat. No, that's... I really think that's a saber-tooth. Yeah, guys, the saber-tooth's hungry. And I'm gonna have a drink. I'm gonna have a drink. Yeah, guys. No! I'm not full, man. That's not good. I think the quality is not nice. Let's have a drink. Yeah, guys. I wish I need a shower. Okay, I need some sleep. But we're already in the sleeping area. So let's make some sleep. Oh, my saber-tooth's there. Pick up. Give me right there. Saber-tooth. Literally! I need some sleep. Guys, hi guys. Now let's go to my house. What? A snow puma? Wait, let's go back. Let's get back. Let's see who that is. We need some food. Yeah. Not cool, guys. Not cool. I'm hungry. What do you mean? What do you mean? Whoa, I'm in the school. My saber-tooth's still in the school. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Let me just eat something. I need some food. I need some food. Yeah, guys, I forgot about the apples. You can steal apples from your teacher. It's cool. You keep on going, click on the apple, you get like 100 apples. Okay. And guys, remember, we need a very important thing to do. Let's hashtag okay, guys, and you know the dog needs pants. So let's hashtag in the board. Dog needs pants. He actually needs pants. Dog needs pants. Okay, let's go. Hashtag it over there also. I'm thirsty. What do you mean not thirsty? I don't have any drink. That's bad. So sad. Okay, ABC. I'm going to change the text afterwards because it might take a lot of time for you guys. Let me go. Dog needs pants. Okay, an invitation to the party. I just better close it. So now dog needs pants. Yeah, guys, I really need a hashtag it below. But right now, I'm going to copy all of this. I'll show you. Okay, here you go. Okay, that's not working. It's literally dog needs Control A, Control C, save it. Dog needs pants, guys, and that's real. And we have to go and check dog has pants on him. Wait, what is this? And Control V. Yeah, guys, dog needs pants. I'm gonna hashtag it literally everywhere. I'm out of the space. I need a drink. I need to drink some water. Okay, that's too much costly, but I can do anything other than buying a lemonade with $3. It's better than just get a drink. Perfection! Now we need to go with my roller skates and to my house literally. Let's go. Let's first go in a fast motion to go check if dog needs pants. So let's see. Oh guys, I have made very little money literally. Let's get in. Okay, let's go check if dog needs pants. Dog, please keep pants on. I wish dog has pants. Yeah, we're gonna around in 3, 2, 1, go. You, dog, please. Guys, if you want, I don't mean people don't put pants in dog. So just hashtag it below in the comments, dog needs pants, okay? Dog better have some pants, and he's a dog, literally. You, let's get out. Let's go Holy. Let's go inside Holy. We can see his pants on, thank God. Holy has pants on. Okay, better transform from here to gifts. And from the gifts to my home. Let's get my vehicle. I have a cycle and a roller skate. So I'm poor. I'm poor right now. Because I have a lot of giveaways, I think. Yeah. I gave me 6 of my pets to random people I saw. And I didn't make that video. Because it was awful. It was not nice. My internet's not so good. We need a roller skate to my house. Literally! I have shit love. Shit. It's gone out of control, guys. Oh, yeah, back in control. Thank God. Okay, let's go. Oh, where's my house? Where's my house? Thank God. Hey, shit. It's Sabretooth. Yeah, thank God, it's a Sabretooth. Better remove this. Get my Sabretooth off the bed. And guys, in today's video, I promise you to make my Sabretooth a fully grown Sabretooth. Let's put my Sabretooth first in. Put my Sabretooth in. Let's get out some apples for him. Let me get back. Okay, yeah, guys. My Sabretooth! Oh! Whoa, no, nah. My bad, feed him an apple. He's hungry. Am I hungry? No, the Sabretooth's hungry. Yeah, and I need to go in forward back. Yeah, let's get in. It's not done. Literally. Done! Whoa, that was horrible. That's my bubble planet. Yeah, perfect time. My Sabretooth needs to sleep when I'm in the house. That's all. Okay, guys, that's what I did. Oh, my Sabretooth's going to be fully grown. That's so cool. Oh no, it's the cat out. I better sleep here. I don't want to see. Okay, he's not a steal. He's not a fan. Man, holy shit. How wish he was Dino. How much wish that he was a fully grown bear. Me. Sable. Don't get sad. I'm